This screencast is going to help you use Handbrake. So I'm going to go to my launch pad and I'm going to launch Handbrake. So Handbrake, the first thing it does is it asks you where the video is that you would like to compress. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to navigate to the file. There it is, right there. So this is the MOV file. It's probably pretty big. So I'm going to click OK. That's 219 meg. So I'm going to click OK. So it pulls this up. And these toggle presets may or may not be open. I'm going to open them up and I'm going to start with iPad. That just makes sure that I am already heading in the right direction. Here's MP4, H.264, which is kind of on the right track at least. So a couple things you need to change in order to compress it. First of all, let's notice it says that on the desktop it's going to save this file called earthandsun.mp4. Remember, we started with the MOV file. So I want it to output as an MP4 file. I'm going to uncheck large, web optimize that, and then move on down the page a little bit. And where it says average bitrate, this is where you can really compress it and you won't notice a big difference. I'm going to change that to 500. Click 2-pass encoding and turbo first pass. And there's one more thing up here I want to do. I want to make sure that that frame rate is same as source. So that stuff's all set. And then we can do one more thing, and that is to go to the picture settings. And the width is what we're concerned about. It will automatically keep the aspect ratio the way it is. So I'm going to go down to about 720 pixels would be a nice size. It's not too small, but it's not too big, and that will help the file size as well. It would also help it view a little bit better on the web. Okay, close that guy out and click Start. And so it will scan the video and it will hopefully compress it to a size that will make it easier for you to upload, easier for you to post on your website. When it's done, you're going to see a message that says, put that cocktail down, your Handbrake is done, click OK, and then you can quit out of Handbrake. So you're going to notice, here's the file, and it is an MP4. So just so you can see this, if I go to File, Get Info on that file, it is now much smaller. It's 13.8 meg, which is much smaller than 200 and whatever it was, 250 before.